In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search for text within a web page using Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to quickly locate information on a lengthy article or verifying details across multiple sections of a web page, searching for specific text can be a real time saver. Let's walk through this straightforward process so you can easily find what you're looking for next time you're browsing. First, let's open Google Chrome on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download it from the official Chrome website, as it's a fantastic browser known for its speed and user-friendliness. Once that's done, go ahead and launch Chrome. Now that you have your browser open and ready to go, think of the web page you want to search. For instance, let's say you're on google.com, but this method will work on virtually any web page. Next, you'll need to activate the search function within Chrome. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl+F at the same time on your keyboard. For those using a Mac, the same function is activated by pressing Command and F. This is a universal command across many browsers and applications, not just Chrome, so it can be quite handy to remember. After pressing those keys, you should spot a search bar popping up at the top right corner of your Chrome window. This is where you'll type in the word or phrase you're hoping to find. Imagine you want to locate the word Google on the page. Simply type Google into the search bar. As you do this, you'll notice something quite useful. Chrome automatically highlights every instance of that word on the page. This makes it exceptionally easy to spot where your desired text appears. Now, if there are multiple matches, this is where the navigation arrows come into play. Located right beside the search bar, you'll see up and down arrows that allow you to move between each highlighted result. Clicking the down arrow will take you to the next occurrence of your search term, while the up arrow will bring you back to the previous one. This feature is incredibly useful for jumping directly to each section of interest without having to manually scan the entire page. By following these steps, you've effectively located specific information without any hassle. This is especially beneficial when you're dealing with large volumes of text or simply pressed for time. Remember these simple steps. Open your web page, use the Ctrl+F or Command+F shortcut, and enter your search term. With these basics, you're well equipped to dive into any web page and quickly extract the information you need. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient.